Previously on how to connect an Apple Watch to your Concept2's PM5, in episode 1 I said there was no way you could do this. Apple Watch doesn't broadcast the heart rate data via Bluetooth. In episode 2 we found out I was entirely wrong and there is a way to do it. Just download the HeartCast app from the App Store. But the HeartCast app may not be the way to do it. And today, in episode 3, I show you a new way that does work.
RowAlong is filmed in front of a live studio audience.
So the HeartCast app, turns out that although it offers a solution, loads of people are having problems with it, including me, to be honest. So while I was looking at what was going on with that, I stumbled across a different app called Echo BLE. The difference here is that Echo BLE costs £5, but even though HeartCast was free, it didn't work. And £5 is still cheaper than the HeartBeatz dongle that you have to buy, which is around about £30, $40. So Echo BLE could be a good option. Now what you have to do is similar to HeartCast, you download the app and you install it onto your watch, and then we can get into setting it up to connect to the monitor. Okay then, let's see how this goes. So I turn on the Concept2's PM5 and I guess go into connect mode. And that just sits there waiting for something to happen. Turn on the Echo app, choose your workout gear. All right, okay, so Concept2. What concept do I use? I use a rower today. Set to Concept2 rower. Alrighty then, so tap to enable Bluetooth. Echo would like to use Bluetooth, yes please. Now it's looking to correct, so I'll press connect heart rate on there. There we go, that was nice and quick. Connecting iPhone. Now I've not done anything with an app on my watch and it's auto launched and you can see that it's detected my heart rate as 52. Confirm selection, there we go. Right, so let's just try and get into adjust row and see, oh, heart rate's there, was going, it's coming, going. Is it gonna see it? It certainly sees this data there, there we go. There's no need for me to even start a row, you can see the heart rate is there. So it works. The question is though, will it work when you connect to an app as well? So let's just get ErgZone and then connect on the Concept2's monitor, ready for app connection. And let's just go for one of my RowAlong workouts, 8 times 4 minutes. That was fun. Scan for PM5, it's found the PM5, connect. App is connected. Now it does still claim that the heart rate is there. You can see on the monitor. Oh, there we go. Now let's see, it's sitting there waiting to go. Let's see if my heart rate changes at all while it's going, because that would be cool if it's not actually needing to have the app running in the foreground. Yeah, it looks like it might be stuck on 53 and it's disappeared. Oh no, wait. No, it is in fact, it seems a little bit glitchy, but it might actually run. So I'll quickly just start doing an arms only row so I can see what happens to my heart rate. The only reason I'm doing this arms only is so I'm not shaking the monitor on screen. ErgZone seems to be reading the heart rate fine. Heart rate's definitely changing on the monitor, so maybe this actually works. Time will tell over a longer row whether it's got the stability to keep your heart rate up on screen for the duration. But at least we know that Echo BLE will allow your watch to connect to your phone, to connect to the PM5 if that's what you want to do. And that's the question, do you want to use your Apple Watch as your heart rate transmitter? For me, I find it stable enough. For others, they don't really like it and they prefer to go down a chest strap option. Now, if you haven't seen the video I made about heart rate transmitters, where I talk about straps versus watch, etc., please do check it out, as well as any of the RowAlong workouts that I have on this channel. Hopefully, this is the end of the heart rate Apple Watch saga. If not, I'll see you in episode 4. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this one. Stay safe, be well, bye-bye.